Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be trying to do a little date night look. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And if you guys see that my face is a little bright, it's because I'm getting sick. I'm going to put a piece of tape here and another one here. This is to take the tackiness off. I don't want it super tacky. I'm going to go ahead and use the Simpsons Revolution Makeup Revolution London again. I really like this palette and I want to use the colors like I mentioned in my other video to try and make like a little date night look with these two. And probably a little bit of the glitter, so do my eyebrow. I'm actually going to go ahead and start off with that kind of like deep brown, and I'm going to use one of these brushes. I just want to smoke it out a little bit. I'm going to blend. Go ahead and get the LA Colors just to make the other color pop up a little bit more, if that makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and get some of the stuff. Add one more layer. I'm going to blend that out so it doesn't matter if it's like looking like a complete mess. The LA Colors, and I'm going to work with it. To have a little bit more of a, and this, like I said, it's dry super fast. My eyelash curler. Go ahead and use the LA Correct. I'm going to try and correct a little bit using the LA Colors concealer again. I'm going to apply it here and here. Why do I always say mascara? I'm saying foundation. A little bit of foundation. Hello Kitty ColourPop Cosmetics. You can leave it like this, or you can leave it like... Okay, you guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys!